Hello friends, this is Shahrukh Ali, your course instructor. Today we will learn how to create a Facebook page and a Facebook group. Okay, this is my Facebook interface. You have to drag your mouse here, create button, plus button. Just click over here. Then came to page and click on the page. Okay, the page name required, it's I'm creating it a demo page, so I write a demo. Okay, category business. You have to write your own page, business service. Okay, write some description over here. Alright, let me type. My name is this okay, I have written the description too. Now I have to press this button, create page. Just see, not more than less than 1 minute even, and the page is created. Okay, it is saying demo page is already created. Save. See, I got a new page, that is demo. Now the Facebook is asking I have to add a button on it, promote page or invite some guests. Button, let's see what is this. But add a button to get people to take action from page such as shop or sign up. Let's see what is it. Clicking on buy gift card, book now. If you press book now, you can get appointment on Facebook. Okay, see, it is creating. Let's go down. Okay, next. Done. Okay, you have to invite page. To make business page on Facebook is just a wink of an eye. Just write the description, name and the category and your page is ready. Okay, now we are making a group. We are back on the main page. Again we have to go here and press plus. It's loading. Okay, now let's go down here, group. We have to click here. Okay, now it is asking group name. Let me write digital Karachi. I am making a group with the name of a digital Karachi. It's a public group. Choose friends. I will invite them later on. Upload cover photo. I will definitely, but later on. Just create it, and the page is created. So, no rocket science, nothing. Just have to few clicks. Both Facebook page is also created, and the Facebook group is also created. That's you have to do it. Now it's your assignment to create one page and one group of your own and send me the link. Thank you very much.